Welcome to the Forza Machinery educational videos, for the lack of a better term. The idea behind all these videos is to reduce the amount of times I have to explain when I do training. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into small segments. Bit by bit, every single machine is going to have a little bit of information that is frequently asked by our customers. Keep in mind all of this when I do an install, I explain it anyway. So this is more to reduce the amount of phone calls I get where I keep getting asked exactly the same question over and over. And it's a lot easier for everyone when I can just say, go to this link, have a look, you're going to get all the details you need. As well as it's very handy for anyone that's new to the edge band, not the edge bander, but just in general, the woodworking machinery. For example, an apprentice who's a little bit too afraid to ask the boss man a question that he's asked maybe 5 or 6 times. He can have a look at the video, he can figure it out, and then Bob's your uncle.